Welcome to my channel, and today I'm taking you inside something that will absolutely blow your mind, the BMW luxury motorhome. This isn't just an RV, it's a masterpiece on wheels, a rolling 7-star hotel that BMW designed to completely change the way we think about road travel. Forget everything you know about motorhomes, because what you're about to see is pure luxury, pure technology, and pure BMW excellence. From the outside, it carries the sleek and bold design, cues that BMW is known for, but the real magic happens inside, where every corner feels like stepping into a high-end penthouse suite. So let's dive into the motorhome that's making everyone rethink RV living. Let's begin with the bedroom, which feels less like something you'd expect in a motorhome and more like something out of a luxury resort. The space is designed with BMW's signature modern minimalism, smooth lines, ambient LED lighting, and materials like hand-stitched leather, real wood, and brushed aluminum details. The centerpiece is a king-size bed with a memory foam mattress that automatically adjusts to your body posture, ensuring the best sleep no matter how long the journey. There's also a panoramic skylight right above, allowing you to fall asleep under the stars or wake up with the sunrise flooding into the room. Built-in climate control, a hidden entertainment system with a massive OLED display, and smart storage solutions make this bedroom a haven of both comfort and functionality. It's the kind of space where you forget you're even in a vehicle. It truly feels like a private luxury suite on wheels. Now moving into the kitchen, and trust me, this is going to make every foodie's jaw drop. BMW has equipped this motorhome with a full gourmet kitchen, something that feels more like a high-end city apartment than an RV. You get a sleek induction cooktop, a smart refrigerator that tracks your groceries and suggests recipes, and even a built-in espresso machine for that perfect morning coffee on the road. The countertops are crafted from quartz composite, resistant to scratches and heat, and the cabinets open with just a soft touch thanks to the latest push-to-open technology. There's even an automatic dishwasher tucked away to make cleanup effortless. Imagine preparing a 5-star meal while parked at the edge of a mountain cliff or overlooking the ocean. This kitchen is designed to turn cooking into an experience, not a chore. And then there's the bathroom, which is nothing short of stunning. Forget the cramped spaces you usually find in RVs. BMW's bathroom feels like a spa retreat. You get a full walk-in rainfall shower with customizable water pressure and ambient lighting, a heated floor that feels amazing on cold mornings, and a vanity area with luxury fixtures that wouldn't look out of place in a high-end hotel. The toilet is fully automated with smart cleaning and deodorizing functions, and there's even a digital mirror that doubles as a touch screen for entertainment or travel updates while you get ready. Every surface is finished in marble and chrome, creating an atmosphere of sophistication. This is not just a bathroom, it's a wellness space designed for total relaxation after a long day of adventure. And finally, let's talk about the overall motorhome experience, because BMW has left no detail untouched. From the living room lounge with plush recliners and a cinema-quality entertainment system to the automated climate and lighting that adapts to your mood, this motorhome is designed to feel like a futuristic home. Panoramic windows wrap around the living area, offering breathtaking views wherever you park, while the high-tech driver's cockpit blends seamlessly into the living space when it's time to relax. Every element is controlled through a smart app. Lighting, music, climate, and even the retractable rooftop deck for outdoor lounging under the sky. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a lifestyle statement, a way to travel the world without ever sacrificing comfort or luxury. BMW has truly redefined RV life forever, turning the dream of a mobile luxury mansion into reality. If you enjoyed this look at BMW's most luxurious motorhome ever, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to ring the bell so you never miss our deep dives into the world's most incredible vehicles.